Hey guys, it's me again, Veni! Today I'm giving you a super quick walkthrough of the Pack This app. Step 1. As soon as you open the app, start by entering your trip details. Add your destination, how long you're staying, and the name of the person coming with you. You can upload a photo or even choose a fun avatar for each traveler. Add as many people as you need. Anne added her husband and her daughter for their trip to Jamaica. Step 2. Next, start building your packing list. Begin by adding a category, and once that's set, you can add items to that list. Tag your travelers to each item, and their avatar will appear on the right so you know exactly who needs to pack that specific thing. You can create as many categories as you need and add as many items as you want. Step 3. And finally, share the list with everyone so the whole crew stays organized and on top of things. That's it. Super simple, super helpful, and perfect for stress-free packing.